Certainly. Thank you very much for coming. How do you plan to stay engaged with the community if you are appointed to district court? How will you maintain your perspective on everyday lives of the King County citizens?
I live in Ballard, so that's easy. But secondly, and this really is a follow-up on Councilmember Phillips' question, is I think that on one hand, we can make significant progress by consolidating our functions. The downside of that is you end up with a monolith that never listens to anybody, never hears anyone, and that's very wrong. That's one of the reasons why we have so many municipal courts right now. A lot of them left King County. And the community court idea, there are two aspects to it. First is a specifically designed community court, like we have in Seattle Municipal Court. It deals with homeless people in the downtown community. But there's a broader concept of a community-infused court, would probably be the best way of describing it. And that is where there are justice councils all over the county, and the police, the prosecutors, the courts, public defense, all have to go meet with citizens and discuss issues. Not cases, but to discuss issues, to hear their concerns about graffiti, to hear, and also to educate them, to explain why we have the police coverage we do. I think there's a real lack of communication between the judges and the public, and certainly some judges have made really good efforts at going out and speaking, but all they're doing is speaking. They're not listening, and I think it's really important, and I see that down in Auburn. We have 67,000 people. If people come in and they're complaining about a stop sign or the lights that we have, the traffic lights that take photos, you know, we hear that, and we have a specific method, because we're so small, of communicating with the traffic division and telling them to go check that out and make sure the lights are coordinated. We had too many complaints about it. King County's so large that it's hard to do that, but I think people have the same belief that they can petition the government, and I think that the judges have to make themselves more available as part of the criminal justice system, so it isn't just a judge going down and talking. Thank you.